Welcome to Dobby's Repairs. I'm Dobby the Fixing Elf, and this is what's in my toolbox, the series where I show you the tools I use to repair cars and fix things. So let's find out what's in my toolbox today. And in this installment, we have this locking wheel nut set. Let me open the case so you can have a look inside it. So inside it comes with 4 different size locking wheel nut removers. They can also be used as nut extractors as well and stud extractors. But yes, you get a 17, a 19, a 21mm and a 22. All pretty good and pretty robust. They're coated in this black plastic. When you hammer them on, they do chip a bit, as you can see here, which is where I'm hammering this one on. And you have this little punch as well. So what you do is when you've got a bolt stuck in here, you put this in and knock it down. And it'll pop it loose. You need a bit of force, you need something like a pair of pliers or a vice, and just literally just do that and it will drive them out. They're pretty handy little things for getting off them stuck wheel nuts. I will say that these aren't for the locking wheel nuts that are with a spinning ring. For those you have to use something else to drive them, to break the ring first before you can use them. So for instance, the last one I used, I had to use this chisel. You may have saw this in last week's toolbox video. Yeah, you break the ring and then you can pop this on and just hammer it on, and because they've got these little flutes inside, so as you undo it, they dig in tighter into the bolt, give you more grip. They're fairly robust though. The type of thing they are, they're never going to be perfect, and you probably are going to have to replace them at some point, but they do a fairly decent job. I just want to give you a quick close-up of the sockets themselves. They're centered. I'm not sure how well this is going to focus. I'm going to try my best to get it to focus. You can see they've got these little flutes inside and they grip on. Let me see if I can find a bolt to give you a bit of a better demonstration. I've roughly found a nut. This is a locking wheel nut, and this is standard locking wheel nut without the spinny ring. And yeah, basically all you do is you pop this on like so, and then you hammer it on, and as you twist it, it'll bite deeper into this metal, holding it tight. That's allowing you to remove it even without the key, which is very handy. Your keys are always getting lost to these. Yeah, as you can see, not bad. This is quite a good view of the actual inside as well. So my final thoughts on this lovely set of locking wheel nut removers. They are really quite good and really quite handy. I'm going to give them a 3-star, just because they can't do the spinning locking wheel nuts, which is a bit of a disappointment, but they still do remove nuts and bolts very easily. The bar's a bit short, but apart from that, the case is very nice. It holds everything nice and compact. Yeah, overall, not a bad little tool. Definitely if you need a set of ones for standard locking wheel nuts, the ones that don't have the spinning ring, pick these up, they won't do you wrong. If you enjoyed this video, why not drop a like? Any questions or feedback, let me know in the comments. I normally drop 2 videos a week, so if you haven't subbed to the channel yet, you should, and then you'll never miss another video. Do you know anyone else who would enjoy watching this video? Then feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a sensational day.